Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the toll for the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. Now it was announced that there will be no toll on this road until April of 2024. So this road was built, takes you from Maypen to Mandeville. It's a part of Highway 2000, which is a toll road. The toll plazas are actually built at toll gates. But when the road opened in September last year, it was announced that no toll would be collected until December 31st, 2023. Then, in December, it was announced that no toll would be collected until April 2024. So, we're going to talk about that today. Now, the Kingston Highway 2000, as we said, is a toll road. Kingston to Maypen is you have to pay toll to use that section of the road, but the Maypen to Mandeville leg is where we're driving today, and that's a section that's free. Now the reason why they don't have to charge toll for this section versus the other sections is that the Jamaican government built this road. It's not a foreign company that built the road. So let's give you an example. But this is the toll plaza up by toll gate, so whenever they are ready to collect the toll, this is where you would pay it. So when this highway was originally built, the Maypen to, I think it was Sandy Bay leg, a foreign company built the highway. They paid for it and they built it, and then they were given a concession to collect toll on the highway to pay for the road. Now over time, the Trans-Jamaica Highway took over that, so it's Trans-Jamaica Highway that basically the road has been paid off. This is the toll plaza. So when the time came to build the Maypen to Mandeville leg now, the Jamaican government built it. No foreign company built the road. It was the Jamaican government. So that is why they don't have to charge toll for this section of the road. Now, and that's also why it's different for the other sections. Remember now, I think it was a French company that built it, and then probably China Harbour built another section. They put up the money. Alright, let's use China Harbour Engineering Company. They put up the money, they built the highway, and then they collect the toll to pay back for the building of the highway. With this leg of the highway, the Maypen to Mandeville leg, the Jamaican government built it. So this road belongs to NROC, which is part of the Jamaican government. They represent the Jamaican government's interest in the road. So they don't have to charge toll for this road. The road is built out of, I don't know if they got loans or they use the taxes, the budget. I'm not sure. I think they got loans, but there is no rush to pay to charge toll on this road. The road is built, very nice road, job well done. But they're not obligated to any foreign company or government to pay for the building of this road. So that's why they can keep extending the date to charge toll on the road. And as we said in our previous video, if NROC wanted to, they could operate the toll plaza. There is no reason to use a third entity. Now, there is a relationship between Trans-Jamaica Highway and NROC, because the other legs of the highway from Maypen to Mandeville, Trans-Jamaica Highway charges toll on those sections. And NROC owns 20% of Trans-Jamaica Highway, so there is a relationship there. But for some reason, they cannot come to an agreement for this section of the highway because, as we said, it's the Jamaican government who paid to build the road. So that's why there is no toll being charged on this road. And chances are, I'm not sure if they're going to charge toll on this road this year. Based on how things are progressing, I wouldn't be surprised if it's way up until 2025 that they charge toll on this road. Also, the government is expanding this road. They're building another section of Highway 2000 from Mandeville to St. Elizabeth from Williamsfield to Hodges in St. Elizabeth. And it's the same arrangement. The Jamaican government is going to build the road and then collect toll at some point. So maybe that road won't even be a toll road, because the government built a road, or is building a road from Harborview to Port Antonio. From Harborview to Yalos, the road looks just like this, and it's not a toll road. The Jamaican government is financing it, and it's not a toll road. So that's just an example. So guys, let us know what you think about the government not charging toll on this road until April. I think it's an excellent move, and I think they should just not charge toll until next year, 2025. I mean, it's a win-win for everybody, because yes, the Jamaican government paid to build the road, but the Jamaican government gets money from Trans-Jamaica Highway because they own 20%. So when people pay toll in Maypen and Vineyards, the Jamaican government gets money from it. So let's say you get on the highway, and Trans-Jamaican Highway's usage of the toll road has increased since this road has opened, because people are getting on the highway because it's free, and because of the ease of driving on the highway, they're not exiting, they're just staying on the highway and going all the way to Kingston. So it increases the revenue that Trans-Jamaica Highway makes, and that increases the dividend payment to the government. So the dividend payments from the government could easily cover, well, I shouldn't say easily, could be used towards paying off the road. So there is no rush to charge toll on this section of the road. And there's an election this year in February, local government elections, and there's going to be a general election next year. We're not a political channel, but you can't ignore the fact that roads play a big part in general elections. So that's why I don't think that, let's not go there, but that's just something to consider. I don't know if there's any tie-in or between that, but it's something that people have mentioned in the comment section, so we can't really ignore it. There is an election this year and one next year. Alright guys, let us know what you think about extending the free use of the road until April. Alright guys, have a good day.